Okay, folks, let's talk about Vagaro. Have you ever been frustrated trying to manage your appointments? Maybe you're a therapist, a stylist, or even a pet groomer, and you're constantly juggling bookings, cancellations, and rescheduling. So you're not alone. But I've got some good news. Vagaro can make your life a whole lot easier. In this video, we're going to dive into how to get accepted on Vagaro, so you can start using this powerful tool to streamline your business. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick look at what Vagaro is and why it's so popular. Vagaro is an all-in-one business management software designed specifically for service providers. It's packed with features like online booking, appointment scheduling, client management, and payment processing. Think of it as your virtual assistant, helping you stay organized and efficient. So why is Vagaro so popular? Well, for starters, it's incredibly user-friendly. The interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, even for tech novices. Plus, Vagaro offers a wide range of features, so you can customize it to fit your specific needs. Now, let's get to the meat of the matter, how to get accepted on Vagaro. Create an account. Go to the Vagaro website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself and your business. Choose your plan. Vagaro offers a variety of subscription plans to choose from, depending on your needs. Complete your profile. Once you've signed up, you'll need to complete your profile by adding your business information, services, and pricing. Submit your application. Once you've completed your profile, you'll need to submit your application for approval. Vagaro typically reviews applications within 24 to 48 hours. Start using Vagaro. Once your application is approved, you can start using Vagaro to manage your appointments and grow your business. Now that you know how to get accepted on Vagaro, let's take a look at some of the benefits of using this platform. Save time. Vagaro automates many of the time-consuming tasks associated with managing appointments, such as booking, scheduling, and rescheduling. Increase your bookings. Vagaro's online booking feature makes it easy for clients to book appointments 24/7. Grow your business. Vagaro offers a variety of marketing and promotional tools to help you attract new clients and grow your business. So, if you're looking for a way to streamline your business and save time, Vagaro is definitely worth considering. With its user-friendly interface, powerful features, and affordable pricing, Vagaro is the perfect solution for service providers of all sizes. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can get accepted on Vagaro and start using this powerful tool to grow your business. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and see how Vagaro can help you take your business to the next level. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy booking!